Good morning, students. Let's begin with the next session on knowing the numbers. Today we will study additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse means if you add the two rational numbers, their sum is 0. And multiplicative inverse is if we multiply the two rational numbers, then the product of it is 1. It is called a reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. A division of a rational number division of a rational number by a non-zero rational number is always a rational number. If a non-zero rational number is divided by the same number, then the quotient is 1. So if you divide a rational number by another rational number, the answer is 1. If you multiply the rational number and its reciprocal, answer is 1. Example, if it is a rational number is 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is multiplied by its inverse 3 by 2. Answer is 1. So 3 by 2 is a reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Same thing, if 2 by 3 is divided by again 2 by 3, answer is 1. Correct. So when we are dividing 2 by 3 by 2 by 3, we are doing the multiplication of the 2 by 3 of the inverse of 2 by 3. So we are taking it, multiplying it by 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 is a multiplicative inverse. Correct. So let's solve the next example, the given example. If a multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5, number is 3 by 5. The multiplicative of 3 by 5, the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5. What is the multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5? Multiplicative inverse of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Multiplicative of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Is added to. It is added to. What it is added to? It is added to x by y. It is added to x by y. What we get? We get 7 by 3. So what is the respective values of x and y? So we have to find the values of x and y. Correct. So how we will do this? There are two methods. So first is keep x by y as it is equal to 7 by 3 and move 5 by 3 on the other side. So if we move, it becomes plus, becomes minus 5 by 3. So x by y minus x upon y is equal to 7 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 2 by 3. So x upon y is equal to 2 by 3. Means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Correct? So answer is 2 upon 3. 2 and 3. Next question. What is the product of 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4 and the multiplicative inverse of 23 upon 12? So they have asked the product. Sorry, what is the product of the sum? First we have to make the sum. What is the sum of? Sum of 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4. So what is the sum of this? So you have to make the denominator common. You have to make the denominator common. So 2, 3 and 4. So what is the LCM of 2, 3 and 4? 2 LCM is 2 into 1. 3, this blank 1 into 3. Then 4. 4 how you write? 2, 2 into 2. So this is common, correct? So 2 into 2 into 1 into 3. So 2 into 2 4, 12. So 12 is the common. 12 is the LCM. So you have to make the denominator 12. How you will make? You multiply 1 upon 2 by 6. So multiply 6 on the top, 6, 6 on the bottom, 6 upon 12, correct? Plus 3. 3 into 4 is 12. So you have to multiply by 4. 2 4 is 8. 8 upon 12, correct? Plus here 4. If you 4 into 3 is 12. LCM is 12. So 4. So you have to multiply by 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. 9 upon 12. So what is the answer? Since the denominator is same, denominator is 12, you have to add the number. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 9, 14 plus 9, 23. This is the answer. This is the sum. Okay. And the multiplicative inverse of 23 by 12. So what is the multiplicative inverse of 23 by 12? Inverse means opposite. So 23 by 12. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is 12 by 23. Correct? 12 by 23. Now, what is the product? Product of the sum. So we have calculated the sum. Now we have to multiply it by we have to find the product. Product of 12 by 23, which is the multiplicative inverse of 23 by 12. And it is the product of these three numbers. So product of three numbers, sum of the three numbers is 23 by 12. So what is the product? 12 upon 23 into 23 upon 12. So these are this divide this and this goes this. So answer is 1. So answer is 2. Correct? What is the sum if 9 upon 12 is subtracted from the sum of 2 upon 5 and its multiplicative inverse? Question is, what is the answer if 9 upon 10 is subtracted from the sum of 2 upon 5 and its multiplicative inverse? So first we have to find the sum. Sum of what? 2 upon 5 and its multiplicative inverse. Inverse means multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. And we have to find the sum. What is the inverse? Inverse is 5 upon 2. Correct? 5 upon 2. So we have to find the LCM. LCM is 5 is 1 into 1 into 5. Second is 1 into dash into 2. So what is LCM? 5 into 2. 1 into 5. LCM is 10. So we have to make the base common as denominator common. Denominator is 10. So 5 into 2. So we have to multiply by 2 here on the numerator and denominator. Correct? So 2 2s are 4 upon 10. 5 plus 5 2 here you have to multiply by 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Correct? To make the denominator 10, you are required to multiply it by 5. So it is 10. 2 5s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Correct? Answer is equal to, since the denominator is same, answer is 4 plus 25. That is equal to 29 upon 10. Correct? Now, what is the answer if 9 by 10 is subtracted from? So you have to subtract 9 upon 10 from 29 upon 10. Correct? If you subtract, the denominator is same. Answer is 29 my denominator same. So you write a common denominator. This is 29 minus 9. That is equal to 20 upon 10. That is equal to 10. 2s are 20. Answer is 2. So answer is 2. Correct? Next, let's solve the next one. What is the sum of multiplicative inverse? What is the sum of multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 9? and the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7. So multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse of 4 upon 9 is 9 upon 4, correct? Same thing, multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7 is equal to 7 upon 2, correct? This is the first part. Sum. Now we have to find the sum of these two multiplicative inverse. So 9 upon 4 plus 7 upon 2. We need to make the denominator same. So denominator same means what is the LCM of 4 and 2? The LCM is 4, correct? So answer is 4. The denominator is 4. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So 4 into 4. 4 ones are 4. So 9 into 1. Correct? Here we will have 9 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 4. So here we have 7 into 2. That is equal to 9 plus 1, 10 plus 14 upon 4. That is equal to 24 upon 4. That is equal to 6. So this example is wrong. There is no answer given. The answer is 6. Correct. Answer is 6. What is the sum if the multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 8 is added to the sum of 2 upon 7 and 3 upon 7? So what they have told, you have to add the multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 8 to the sum of these two numbers. So let us add these two numbers. First is 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7. Denominator are different, correct? And both are the prime numbers. So LCM is 5 into 7, correct? LCM is, how you will write 5? 5 is written as 5 into 1 and 7 is written as 1 into 7, correct? So LCM is 5 into 1 into 5 into 1 into 7, that is equal to 35. Okay, so 5 7 are 35. So what you will do? 2 into 7, 5 into 7 plus 7. If you divide 35 by 7, it is 5. So 3 into 5 upon 7 into 5. Correct? So that is 7 to the 14 upon 35 plus 15 upon 35. That is equal to 14 plus 15 upon 35. That is equal to 29 upon 35. What is the sum? This is the answer. Okay, what is the sum if multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 8 is added? So multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 8. This part 1 is over. The multiplicative inverse of 5 upon 8 is equal to 8 upon 5. 8 upon 5 is to be added to 29 upon 35. So what is the, you have to make the denominator same. You have to make the denominator same. So denominator same means 35 is the denominator. So to make 35 denominator, you have to multiply this by 7, 5 by 7, 8 by 7. So 7 8 is 56 upon 7 5 is 35. Okay? Plus 29 upon 35. So what is the answer? 6 plus 9, 15. Carry over 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 7, 8. 85 upon 35. Correct? 85 upon 35. So I'll write here, answer is 85 upon 35. Or is it, we have to rationalize it, we have to reduce it. So it is divided by 5, yes. So we divide this by 5 and this 5. So 5 ones are 5, balance is 3, 35. So 5 sevens are 35. We divided it by 5, 5 sevens are 35. Correct? Now 17 is the answer. So you divide by 17. 7, you divide 17 by 7. So answer is 7 2s are 14 and the remaining is 3. Answer is 2 2 3 by 7. Correct? Answer is 2 integer 2 3 by 7. So this is the answer. Right? Let's move to the next example. It is again a simple one. 250 divided. So we have to rationalize it. We have to reduce it. Okay. So first number is 250 upon 275. This is divided by 280 upon 148. So divide means we have to multiply this number by the reciprocal of 280 upon 145. So that is 145 upon 280. Now we have to reduce these numbers. So first see, this is divided by 10. So divided by 10 means you cancel 0. Here you cancel 0. Correct? Now 25. This is divided by 25. Yes, 25 ones are 25. This is divided by 25. 25 ones are 25. 2 is the balance. 2, 2 remains. 2 and 5. 25 ones are 25. Correct? So 1 upon 11. Correct. Now here, 145 upon 11 into, so it is divided by 11. No. Divided by 7. No. See, 11. Here the common is 11. Here the common is, here it is 5. So answer is 145 because 145 is divisible by 5. But at bottom we have 11 into 28. Right? 11 into 28. This is the multiplier. Now 145 is divisible by 11? No. If I divide 28, 28 is broken into 7 into 4. Correct. So 145 divided by 7? No. 7 2s are 14 and 5. No. And it is odd number. So it is not divisible by 4. So answer is 145 as it is. And we have to multiply this. 11 8s are 88. Correct? 8. Carry forward 8. 11 2s are 22. 22 plus 8, 30. 308. So this is the answer. Correct? Next question. 5 upon 2 plus minus 1 upon 5 into 2. So this is, we have to first solve the bracket. First we have to solve the bracket. So we will do here 2 upon 5 plus into minus. So if you remove the plus sign, minus 1 upon 5. Correct? Minus 1 upon 5. That is equal to, the denominator is same, so 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 upon 5, correct? This is 1. Now it is multiplied by 5. So 5 got cancelled. Answer is 1. So this is the answer, correct? Next, move to second, eighth question. Yeah, this is a simple one. You forget about the squares and other things. You just think about x square is one number, for example. Y square is one number. Don't say x into x. Just say that x square is a. Just remember, y square is b. That's all. Okay, so if I add and divide is, how it will work? X square is 1. So 5x square is 5a. Correct? Upon y square. Y square is b minus 4a, x square is 4a. Correct? Upon y square is b. So we have to first solve this bracket and then multiplied by x, y square is b and x square is a. Correct? So denominator is same? Yes. So 5a minus 4a. 5a minus 4a means how much? A. Correct? 5 minus 4, 1. A. A upon b. Correct? Into b upon a. That is equal to b get cancelled, a get cancelled. Answer is 1. Correct? So answer is 1. Here, here it is tricky. Here it is not square. It is mn. So mn and m separate. So they have written as, there are four letters they have used. One is m, second is n, third is mn, correct? And also there is l. Okay, l is also there, and then there is lm. So let lm be 1. Okay, let lm be 1. No, sorry, not lm. You treat it as l into m. Mn is m into n, correct? So now let us solve. First one, mn. How it is? It is m into n upon l into m plus minus m into n upon l into n, correct? This is first one. Into, again, okay, we will solve it on the later part. Okay, that is minus m upon n. So we solve. So here, so m and m get cancelled, n and n get cancelled. So answer is n upon l plus, if you remove the bracket, minus sign is inside, so it will come outside, minus m upon l, correct? So here the denominator same. So answer is n minus m upon l, correct? Now let us solve the second part. The second part. Here minus sign is inside, minus m upon n plus m upon n. So this is, if we add the same numbers, okay, they are the additive inverse. If we add the same number, and since they are additive inverse, this answer is 0. It is, answer is 0. So n minus m upon l into 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. So answer is 0. Got it? Nice. Okay, so let us write